I love lip smackers.
And I love bunnies too.
But we're blindly picking them out of this bunny canister, so we don't know what flavor we're getting. How many are we picking?
2.
Okay, so we'll move this to the side. Ready?
Yeah. But before we get started,
we need you guys to smash that like and subscribe button. One moment, please.
We'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did you do it?
And we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, shout out.
Shout out.
The first shout out goes to STJ channel.
And the second one goes to Medea Kabaya.
Sorry if
I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong. That was really hard for me. Clearly, you just witnessed that. But we appreciate you watching, and luckily we wrote your name so you can see that we were talking to you, because I'm really sorry I pronounced that wrong.
We are. And if you guys want to shout out, make sure to go follow us on Instagram if you have it.
Yeah, and we'll try our best to pronounce them, but these are hard.
Yeah. All right. Rock, paper, scissors.
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boom, baby, boom! I get to pick the first one. Mix this bad boy.
It's a little hard to get to that. You were like.
There it goes. I got kiwi. Okay, you get to pick the second.
I don't want mango.
Did you get mango?
Oatmeal cookie.
That's the one I didn't want. I'm so glad I didn't get oatmeal cookie.
I don't want this one.
I'm like, what would you make? A cookie?
Yes.
I hope do you have grape? Oh, strawberry kiwi? That is genius. I'm so glad I got
I
that.
hope I get this and cotton
She's
candy.
gonna get tangerine.
I really hope I
mango.
don't. Vanilla!
That's good. Vanilla and oatmeal cookie. And I got strawberry and kiwi. So we're gonna go get our slime ingredients to make the slime. Sorry, I was having a moment there. Do you mind? Are you ready to start?
No.
Okay, since she's doing that, I'll show you guys what I got to make a kiwi strawberry slime. So, anyone who knows kiwi knows it's green and the inside has little black seeds. So that's for that. And strawberries are red and they have kind of whitish seeds, I guess. So I'm gonna make that, and then I'm gonna make them into a smoothie. So I got green and red sprinkles, green and red food coloring, and white glue.
It looks like you look like a Mexican thing. I don't know.
She's craving nachos.
Okay, I got Daiso clay to form. I'm gonna make vanilla ice cream with an oatmeal cookie on the top. Now this is gonna be my ice cream. I'm gonna shape it. It's some pretty nice feeling ice cream. I got some brown for the actual oatmeal cookie. These will look like oatmeal, like the bumps. It'll be covered by brown, so you won't see that they're white. You didn't have brown.
Ow! It just shocked me.
I got foam soap, this stuff.
She almost hit me in the eye.
And brown milk, I think. And then glue. Could you hand me the glue?
I can't, ma'am.
I almost got you good.
You can do whatever you need to do. I want to smell these.
I think I did.
OMG, that is the best smelling thing I've ever smelled.
Oh my gosh. I feel like oatmeals are like kind of brown. I've never eaten oatmeal, so. Oh, I got chocolate food. Okay, maybe these will help. See? Come on, please help. It's gonna be like a really super duper crunchy.
That looks like my Panda peanut butter puff cereal.
Oh, it does!
That stuff's good, and it's gluten-free. All right, why did I just add more activator? I got a little excited about the Panda Puffs. I'm gonna open these. Riley's taught me you should open these before you put your hands in the slime. And I'm actually listening. Got it.
Guys, we have a problem. I didn't have any activator and I stuck my hand in. This does feel quite nice though.
Okay, so I'm using 2 different greens because I want a kiwi color. It's almost like a brown green. You need some help there?
I mean, I got my hand stuck on me. This is all I'm gonna use for the actual slime, but this is just extra stuff.
I'm like, why is this not activating?
This is what I have going, so it's probably looking at me.
I'm gonna take out half of
I'm
this.
controlling.
I'm gonna start kiwi strawberry, kiwi strawberry, kiwi.
Streamy.
Okay.
A straw kiwi. A straw kiwa. What's a what? Where did I get the what from? Strawberry.
Okay.
Kiwi.
This
I
is
didn't get
gonna
a what
be
from anywhere.
so beautimous.
Vietnamese. That's a word? I'm gonna use that.
It is a word, right? It is. It's making me want like some fresh fruit.
This is making me want some cookies.
It actually matches this pretty dang perfect. This kind of reminds me of Christmas, my colors.
Reminds me of Mexican.
Why Mexico?
I'm hungry.
Apparently red, white, and green,
You know, like the flag.
like the flag, yes. Just seeing these colors is making Riley want some Mexican food.
No.
How come every time I do a video with Riley, she talks about eating? She just sees me as a meal ticket.
She does make her food.
Okay, so I'm gonna add in the little kiwi seeds. When I was little, I thought these were so weird and I'd always be like, ah. But now I really like them.
Is this going in my team?
Yes.
That's too much. That's what. It's answering already.
All right, look at that, guys. That resembles a kiwi, right?
I want my texture red.
This texture is really good. All right, on to red. On to my strawberry. All right, let the kiwi
This
go.
is just a little bit of my slime too. Because I'm not using it all. This is the only part I got Daiso clay in. So.
All right, I'm hoping this doesn't turn pink. I have food coloring just in case. I'm so happy I got strawberry kiwi. Do you have a grape one in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh. So my hopes were up for grape and you never had one?
Yeah.
How
I
convenient.
want to get some more. I have to form an ice cream scoop. They're messy, right? Do you have like an ice cream scoop?
Now that you're using for slime. Alright, so this is looking red. Maybe if I add
This is looking like a
glitter,
scoop, right?
this will be good.
If you guys are wondering like what happened to the brown other color, well, this is it. I don't have. I can save it as moldy peanut butter. I forgot I didn't activate it.
Oh, the glitter's coming through, guys. Do you see it?
And sometimes people want to get fancy. You need to like.
That looks like ice cream now. That's how it's scooped. Max says, give me some of that. Mackie, you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? You good boy, come see mom. Hi.
That does not look anything. I want to squish it.
Oh, Mackie, you got itchy. That looks good. What are you doing?
It doesn't look good.
Yes, it does.
I can't make one.
Let me help her. Or you could do your oatmeal cookie.
That is what it says. I'm done.
Okay, me too. We're gonna set up for presentation, then we'll bring you guys up close. I'm gonna leave these right here so you guys can see what a good job I did matching my colors. All right, guys, here's my strawberry kiwi slime smoothie. You can see the red has the white spots and the green has the black. I put these on here, but they don't technically need to be on there. But the texture is amazing. Look at that. Guys, come on.
Alright, that's my slime. It looks like an oatmeal that got a new white hat. Or it looks like, you know, the squids that always put on those like hat, or the squids where they have like 8 tentacles. That's what it looks like. But that's my slime. Texture's really nice.
What she means is this is her oatmeal cookie with ice cream on top.
Do you guys want?
Let's check the texture.
And then I made a really cool texture for this. You ready to see?
Yeah.
It's Daiso clay.
I love me some Daiso clay.
I'll show you the mixed results. It's already super Daiso heavy. This is what we don't talk about. My old slime.
We are back.
Won't be just falling everywhere like usual.
Well, this is where we need you guys. Not only to just watch our videos, but to vote below who you think did a better job with the lip smackers picking our slime and who did a better job of making that. Did that make any sense?
No.
You guys get what I mean. Who did a better job? Vote below.
And if you like this video, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. By the way, if you like this video, we have tons more. So why don't you click the X button once I finish, scroll through our videos, and pick one that interests you.
Oh, and we have a giveaway! When we hit 3,000 subscribers, which we're pretty close, guys, we're gonna pick one lucky subscriber to win our mystery box of goodies.
Bye!
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
My oatmeal cookies. Alright, so I thought I would show you that they kept falling off, and that's how many fell out, so I thought I would show you. Guys, you know.
She's a messy little slime maker.
So I like that. Throw these away now.